New to Jellycure? An easy place to start is with the treatment manicure. Prep the nails with Remove Plus. Next, take your serum and place a small pea-sized amount onto the hand and use it like a palette. Dip, dab, and rub into each nail individually. Perform a fingertip massage using the applied serum and make sure to rub to dry using horizontal and vertical movements from cuticle to tip and side to side. Do this for at least 10 seconds before repeating on the next nail. Next, apply your base coat. Make sure to shake the bottle to activate it. Seal in the treatment by applying a coat of the repair base directly on top of the rescue serum. Paint the repair base by avoiding the cuticles, sidewall, and/or skin. Make sure to wrap the tip of your free edge and clean up with an orangewood stick if needed. It's that easy. This is perfect for those who want a natural nail with the treatment benefits. You can either wear this alone or pair it with the jelly top coat. For more videos, head to jellycure.com. Jellycure is now available on jellycure.com.